Hello there everybody. So today we are making a skirt with buttons in front. So I'll be using my half circle skirt pattern. So this pattern is the back of the a half circle wrap skirt pattern. So I'll put a picture here so that you can see the pattern that this pattern is from. So now let us get started. So I'll start here on the center front. I'll go on and 8 centimeters. So as I place my pattern on the fabric, I'll add 8 centimeters on the center front. So the 8 centimeters is for the button placket. So it is where the buttons will be, and then the overlapping front part where the buttons will be. So I'm adding 8 centimeters for that whole part. Okay. And then after that, I'll go on and add 1 centimeter seam allowance. And then after that, I go on and extend the length of my skirt. So I want my skirt to be a little longer than my pattern. And then after that, I'll go on and cut out the back panel using the front panel that I just cut out now. But as you can see on the center front that I folded the 8 centimeters away. So we don't need the 8 centimeters for the back. So I'll just fold the 8 centimeters away and everything else will be the same. Okay, now this is how the skirt looks after attaching the pockets and closing the side seams. So I went on and ironed interfacing on the edges of the front panels. Okay, as you can see. So this is where my buttons and my button stand will be. So the width of the interfacing is 4 centimeters. So the area that is covered by the interfacing is 4 centimeters. Remember, at the beginning we left 8 centimeters. So now we covered 4 centimeters here, both sides, 4 centimeters this side and 4 centimeters on the other side. So the side that I'm working on now is the side that will have buttonholes. So I'll go on and fold it once. So this side I'll just fold it and fold it once, and then I'll go on and stitch it. Okay, and now we come to this side. So this is the left hand side of the skirt, this side. Okay, so this is the side that I'll be having buttons on. Okay, so it is the left hand side of the skirt. So I'll go on with this side as well and fold, but this side I'll fold it, as you can see, fold it once, and then I will fold it again. Okay, this one I will fold it 2 times and fold it again, as you see me do the second folding. So this is the button, this is where the buttons will be. off on this side. Okay, so I'll just go on and pin this side as well, and then go to the machine and stitch it. And now here we are. So this is how the skirt looks now. So the next thing now is to attach the waistband. So I went on and cut out a strip of fabric so that I can be able to make my waistband. So I went on and measured the waist of the skirt, and then I made the strip, the length of the waistband extra, so that I can be able to do this. So as you can watch as I do it. So I place my the waistband from the inside, as you can see, so that I can be able to hide the raw edges of the waistband. And then I'll go on and attach it like this. So as I attach it, I hold the inside, the part that is turning to the inside as well. So this is how I'll be stitching it. Okay, so that the raw edges will be hidden. Okay, so this is how I am attaching the waistband. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. So now I'll just go on and pin all around to the other side. Okay, now here we are. So before I go on and fold back the waistband, I want to show you that I went on and attached an elastic on the waistband. Okay, so it is just a centimeter or 2 centimeter before the button stands. Okay, both sides attached an elastic. So I usually attach an elastic so that my skirt fits nice on the waist. Okay, so now let us go on and continue. So I'll just go on and fold the waistband now. Okay, I'll just fold it to hide any raw edges and then finish it up. And now here we are. So I went on and fit the skirt to see where I want to place my buttons. So I've already I've already placed some pins in place where I want my buttons to go. Okay, so now it is the time to place the buttons. So now I'll just go on and place my buttons. So the first button is smaller than the other buttons, is smaller than the bottom buttons because the first button is on the edge. So I don't want to make a big hole there on top or on near the edge. Okay, so the distance between the buttons, I'll make it 10 centimeters. So I'll just measure 10 centimeters as you see me do here, and then place a button. So these marks I am making now are for the buttonholes. So the top side, this top part is for the buttonholes. So which is the right hand side of my skirt is for the buttonholes. And then the bottom part will be the buttons. Okay, which is the left hand side of the skirt. Okay, so now I am currently arranging and making marks for the buttonholes.